Okay, so here is the overall condition of the Canon Powershot A530. The bottom part here, when you want to open, you just pull it and push it. Yeah, and using two AA battery. Then here is the SD card. Then here got a small battery which is for the date use. Yeah, if here is out of battery, then it will ask you to reset the battery every time. Yeah, sorry, reset the time and the date. Yeah. Okay, then after that we just put it in accordingly. Okay, then press the on button. Yeah, see here we ask you to adjust the time by yourself. Okay, then click the set, and here's the overall function. Then this is the zoom. Then here's the shutter, half press. Like this means doesn't focus at all. Not doesn't actually, is like can't focus. Yeah, like this means okay. Then just click it. Then after that, the flash is auto, like here, A. Then you can click. This one is off flash, auto flash. Yeah, because it's at the auto mode. If you change to P mode, which is the program mode, then when you click it, you can force the flash. Yeah. After that, okay, then you click the function. Then here you can adjust the ISO by yourself. Now it's fully auto. Then here is the white balance. White balance is now is auto. Well, you can adjust by yourself, which see whether you want warm or colder. Yeah, depends on you about the color tone. Yeah. Then this one is the shooting function. This one is single shot, continuous shooting, timer. Then this one is the color. This one is neutral, vivid. This one will be vivid at all as also. Yeah. Then off it. This one is the compensation, exposure compensation, and the metering. Then this one is the file size. You can adjust by yourself. This one is the L, which is the finest and the largest file size. Yeah. Okay. Then here you can select different mode. M stands for manual. Then P, program mode, auto mode. Then this one is a portrait. Yeah. Then this one is the landscape, night mode, and scene. Scene is like indoor, or you can adjust by yourself. Wait, I see whether I can adjust it where. Yeah, by clicking this button. Different kind of mode fireworks, and night mode, child, and pets. This one is indoor. Yeah, but normally I would recommend you just put it at P and adjust the white balance will do. Yeah, and when you should finish, and also yeah, every time actually you shoot, you can look at here when you half press. Yeah. Okay, it blink like this, which means that it can't focus. Maybe I am far a bit. Yeah, like this means okay. Then it will trigger the flash. Okay, and when we want to like view the view, what we have took, then we just switch here the button to here. Yeah, then we can see what we have shoot. Then switch back to continue shooting. And if you want to delete, you also can click this, delete, click, and press the center button. Yeah. So overall it's like this. And when you want to use the card reader, you can just like this, open it, press, take out your SD card. Okay, and here is the card reader for the phone. This one is micro SD, this one is SD card. So you just put accordingly. If you see like you cannot put it inside, yeah, actually got the side lah. You can see this one is upstairs bigger, which is fit like this. So you just put like this will do. Then this one insert to your phone, then you can just save the picture into your phone. Yeah. So here is the overall function and the tutorial video, and hope you enjoy it.